Looky what I got you.
An empty box.
Logitech. $457 later.
Holy cow, I can't believe that. You could buy
Okay, your son just spent over $1,000 on a Lego set. You're going to tell me that?
Lego's different.
I got paid $300.
Lego lasts forever.
I got paid $300 towards it.
Lego lasts forever. It's a wise investment in your future.
Okay, we're filming here. Anyways, I got something in the mail today.
It's probably makeup.
Ignore the dirty pants. I spilled ice cream all over them.
That's so funny. You should have seen it, Devin. It was like an eruption. Mount Vesuvius. It just kept gushing out of the ice cream.
What a fun boxes.
Patience.
Look, another box.
Patience. Oh!
A G29. How am I gonna do that?
What did you say?
A G29.
Oh, no.
That's what it's called.
You just bought it because it had a number 29 on it, didn't you?
Are you ready for the unveiling?
Yeah.
What, I have to watch it too?
What's upside down?
Ooh, look, it's a blue box.
Don't drop it.
Oh, can I try it?
Heavy. Yeah, I want to set it up.
Maybe I'll actually be able to drive properly for a change.
So there it is for the trucking. I tried Bill's T-Max and I wanted one. Everybody uses one.
Wait, it's just for the trucking?
It's
You can't play it with anything else?
For more games with us. The only game I play to use it for.
Are you serious?
Yeah. And I got the PS4 version because it has more buttons.
It has more buttons.
Yes.
Buttons to do what?
Hmm?
Is it going to work with your thing?
Yeah, it works with my computer.
Buttons to do what?
It's for the piece. For the track game, there's a lot of buttons that you need.
Oh my gosh. Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
I don't believe it. You know, you could have gotten a real car almost for that much money.
Not really.
You could have. Look at the stuff Dad drives.
Alright. You can turn it off now.
Okay.
So here we are. What am I talking about?
We're in Chester.
Good afternoon, tubers. We are in Chester, Nova Scotia, and I'm down here today. Oh.
Hi, tubes.
We are down here today because I won a prize, a gift basket from an expo I went to last week, an Atlantic Canada Expo, and I won a prize! So we come down here to pick it up. We just don't know where to pick it up. Glass, ooh, more glass. Oh, we should look around. Oh, places for sale. Ooh, oh, look at that one. I could see myself in that house. All you tubes could come visit me and stay in the attic. Turn down this away. There's the village pub. There's the village pub. We are looking for, there's a Kiwi Cafe. So there was the other place. That's where I was supposed to go, but they're not open. What the heck is going on here? Okay. That's the white gate. That's the one that this girl owns. And this is not, this is King Street. We need Queen Street.
Wasn't that what I just passed, was it?
I don't know.
That's the name of it.
Okay, we're lost. We are lost in Chester, a town that has about 4 streets, and we're lost.
It's a lot more than 4 streets. I had a feeling it was back there.
Okay, we'll go see. Oh, look at that house. It's only $574,000. Surely we can afford that.
Surely
Look
not.
at that house there. Oh, I love it. Let's buy that one. It's got moss on the roof. We could use that as a bargaining chip. Oh, there, that one's perfect for us. That little one. And this is all Japanese knotweed, aka bamboo, is what we call it. And it's a mess. Now we're on Union Street. Oh, look, that house is nice too.
On Central Street, turning onto you.
Yeah, that's what I said. Oh, don't hit this little old lady. Oh my good gracious. Oh wow, they have their oil tank like in their tree. Oh, that's abandoned. That's abandoned. We should go in there. There's another house for sale. Holy, there's a lot of places for sale here for Chester. Oh, look at the well right there. See the well? Isn't that cool? Wow, that's cool. Queen Street.
What's the number? 30.
I don't know. There's the bank and the dead tree out in the front. I'm looking for an address.
What's the name of the place?
Going Coastal. That's Mecklenburg Inn. 41 Queen Street.
65. 61. So we're going the right way. I do believe that's it down there. This is probably as close as I'm going to get where I can park.
Oh, goody.
See
Oh,
what
yeah,
can
I
park here.
see.
don't see any no parking signs.
No, I don't see any either. Okay, okay. Bye. We'll see you in a minute.
Now being recorded.
I'm about done watching you.
Oh. Okay, how long have they been playing for? Only half an hour?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, so we won a gift box. Sorry, I did. I won. I did. I won.
Well, I'll take that.
To go. You won't take that. We won a bottle of Benjamin Bridge, which is not made in Chester. It's made in the Gaspereau Valley.
You can save it for Grandcha.
It is sparkling. It introduces the natural strengths of Benjamin Bridge's coastal terroir.
Dad, try
Citrus
your best.
with
Sorry.
saline and smoky undertones, followed by
best not
persistent minerality. Why are you stop talking?
Nathan's in his underwear. I'm trying to tell Dad. not to
I
show
know
him.
that. Well, he's not up here, is he?
We got this. I had a bag of fun in Nova Scotia.
I
See?
had a bag of fun.
A bag. I had a bag of fun in Nova Scotia.
Yeah, I'm trying to focus on it, and she's waving around at you tomorrow. There
Sorry.
you
I have some tissue paper from Nova Scotia.
go. Oh, nice.
I got some maple syrup.
Camera's this way. There we go. She's learning. Hutchinson's.
I got from the lavender farm. I got some lavender cranberry tea.
Up in River John,
That's where Grandma works.
Nova Scotia.
Grandma works at the lavender farm.
And she gave you some?
It was in the basket. And I got a jar of blueberry jam.
Oh, yummy. And who made that? Mount Denson blueberries.
Blueberry jam.
My friend every time I want them.
Oh. Well, you guys will like
Some
this.
Nova Scotia honey.
Cosman and
I don't
William.
like honey. I don't like honey.
You don't like honey because Grandma doesn't like honey. I'm sorry, honey makers out
And
there.
you don't like honey.
I got a bottle.
Hey, Nathan.
I'm going to pour this on your head. I got a bottle of Avondale Sky Pinnacle Hill white wine.
I don't know how that.
I got a bottle of maple infusion chipotle and lemongrass maple syrup infused with all natural ingredients. Chipotle. That'll be
No.
hot.
No one can drink it.
So,
Hot.
what is it? A syrup or oil?
But
It's
but
yes, Nathan.
Daddy would drink it because he likes it.
He likes it. You put it on stuff, I think.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I got a pencil or a pin that says Chester, Nova Scotia. Ah! A pen that says Chester, Nova Scotia. A notepad that says Chester, Nova Scotia. And a set of posters that says Chester, Nova Scotia.
And this is actually maple syrup.
I said that. What did I say it was?
Well, I asked you what it was.
Oh, I'm
Was
sorry.
it oil or what? And you just said you put it on stuff. That's from the
That's
Village Emporium.
I got some East Coast saltwater taffy
No,
from
that's
Niagara
mine.
Falls, Ontario.
Is it really? Please tell me. you did.
Niagara River Trading, Niagara Falls, Ontario.
Maybe they don't know
They
it.
make it here.
Yes.
Saltwater taffy.
Chocolate what I like.
Yeah. Oh, yummy.
I would like to have the
I got some lavender herbal tea from the lavender farm again. You made your grandma might have made that. I got from the Rope Loft, which is a restaurant. We got a gift certificate for $50.
Nice.
$50. And then from Saltscapes, the Whitegate restaurant. Ignore my gross thumb.
Or anything people can steal.
I don't think those have barcodes. The old-fashioned gift cards, gift certificates.
Okay, stop. I'll give it to you in a minute. From the Rope Loft, we got a gift certificate.
No, this is from the Whitegate.
Or the Whitegate, sorry. Oh my goodness. Buy one entree, get one free.
Nice.
From Mecklenburg Inn, we got $25 gift certificate off a night at the Mech.
Hey, I want to see.
Let me see the picture.
You have to watch the video.
It's like a little farmhouse.
From Amicus Gallery, which is an art gallery. Why are you looking at the time on the refrigerator
Well,
or the
I'm
stove?
waiting for you to open something.
Oh.
I'm not paying enough attention. Is
Okay.
what really what
We
the
got
problem
a gift certificate for $30 from the art gallery.
Why are you buying the art gallery?
Art.
We haven't bought anything. We just
We didn't
opened
go to
it.
that art gallery. We got something else. From the Focal. It's some
I think it's actually forecastle.
no, look, it's
Yeah,
F-O-C. It's Gaelic or Celtic or something. Thank you. We got a gift certificate for $15. And another
one.
$15. Wow, we can go 2 different times. The oldest rural pub in Nova Scotia, circa 1764.
Oh, that's old.
And in this one from the Chester Playhouse.
Ooh, I would like to go there and go in the playhouse.
Oh, it's a theater. It's to go and watch plays.
So you didn't get any cruise tickets or ferry?
No. The Chester Playhouse. It may be exchanged at the box office for 4 regularly priced adult tickets to any performance at the Chester Playhouse. Date April 17th, 2018. What? Oh,
No,
that's when
that's
they,
just the
okay,
date
yeah,
they
yeah.
issued it.
Yay, so we can go see a play. I know how much you love plays. I'm going to make sure Shakespeare is
I
playing.
want to see.
Oh,
It's just a piece of paper, Nathan. There's really nothing to see.
and that's what we got in the prize.
Didn't mean to scare everybody with that little picture of. Oh,
That's what we got as our
the
prize
camera's fading. It's.
from, and we got this lovely basket from Dollarama.
So here it is, you guys. It's all set up and everything. Oh, better watch the road. Yeah, it's just so much better playing this game now. Holy crap. Such a difference. So anyway, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one.